Hey, what's going on, guys? Steve here. Today we're going to be talking about smart plugs. Now, I had the company Wasserstein send me out two different types of plugs, one indoor and then one outdoor. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple different ways to use these things. Let's start off with the demo right now. Turn on patio lights. There you go. Alright, so the devices that I got is I got a mini smart socket and we got a smart outdoor switch. Now essentially both of these are the exact same thing. One's outdoor, one's indoor. What's cool about the outdoor switch is that it comes with two ports on it, so you can plug two different things into there, but you cannot control them individually. So if you're turning it on, they both come on. You can't control them separately. That is the one unfortunate thing about it. So essentially what you're going to do is you're going to create an account with the Wasserstein app. You're going to log in and then you're going to add all of your devices to it. All of that setup is really easy. I'm not going to go over it in this video, but once you get it all set up, you can control the lights with an on-off button, or you can set a timer on it too. The good thing about the timer is that you can do it at different times of the day, and you can also select which days of the week you want that timer to go off. Another awesome feature about both of these is that you can connect them both with your Amazon Alexa. So for example, if I say, turn off patio lights, the lights turn off. Turn on patio lights. There you go, lights are back on. So I've spent about a week with these, and at first I wasn't really sure the best ways to use them. What I started using them for is that we have a fan in our room. My daughter has a fan in her room. We plugged it up to those, so that way we could just hit a button on the side or talk to Alexa to turn the fan on and off. I mean, pretty simple stuff. So one awesome thing about these is that it allows you to start the process of turning your home into a smart home. It can take any light that you plug into the wall and make it a smart device. You can set schedules on it. You can control it from outside the house. If you're on vacation, you can turn those lights on and off. You can control it with Alexa, like I mentioned before. All of these are awesome. I really enjoy it. And one thing that I started using with Alexa is I went into the Amazon app and I started using routines. So I set up a routine called dinner time. So when I say, Alexa, dinner time, what it now does is it turns off the plug for my TV. So I put one of these on the TV, so it'll say, when I say dinner time, it turns off the TV and then it starts playing music. And I don't know, that was a really cool thing. I liked that. I liked that we could just, do a voice command thing and everything is kind of automated. We got music turning on, we've got TVs turning off. I don't know, it's all fun stuff. Push it. Good job, push it again. On, off. Does that make it easy? Job. All right, now that Avery has demoed the button on the side, let's demo the Alexa. Echo, turn lights off. Echo, turn lights on. So there are the lights, pretty straightforward and simple. It essentially makes your dumb house smart. You're able to take any old device, anything that you have from years past, be able to plug it into an outlet using this plug, and you can now control your home not only through an app, but through Amazon Alexa and your voice. So anyway, hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Do not forget to subscribe. I will have all the links down below for the products, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, let's go outside and take care of this. I gotta show you guys something here. All right, so the company Wasserstein reached out to me and they want to give you guys a coupon code for the outdoor plug. It's this outdoor plug right here. Their coupon code is for 49% off. I just looked at the price right now. The price is $30, so you're going to be able to get this outdoor one for almost 50% off. What you're going to do is you're going to click the link in the description below, copy the coupon code, and then it's going to take you to Amazon where you'll do the purchase. When you're checking out of Amazon, it's going to ask you for a promo code. You're going to put the promo code in there, and then it's going to apply. When I looked it up, I think it was only like $16 for the device itself, which is awesome because probably about a year ago I was looking up doing the GE one that's almost exactly like this, and I think that one was $50. This you're going to be able to get for, I think, 16, 17 bucks. Awesome deal. Thank you, Wasserstein. Guys, enjoy the savings that you're going to get with this one. I believe there are only 20 coupon codes available, so get it while they're available, and enjoy.